Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You should start by signing into your Drive account and creating a clear folder for these photos. Once done, upload files directly, drag and drop on desktop, or use the mobile app's upload right arrow folder flow so everything is together. Make sure to clean file names and remove duplicates. This saves recipients time and avoids accidental overwrites. If you have very large RAW files, consider 1/2 resolution copies for quick sharing, and keep the originals archived elsewhere. Now, move to link settings. Once your photos are uploaded, right-click the folder and pick Get Link. Notice Drive defaults to Restricted. Change that to Anyone with the link or Restrict to your organization, depending on your audience. Next, choose Viewer versus Commenter or Editor. Viewer prevents downloads in many cases, while Editor allows full changes. If you need time-limited access, set an expiration or add a password via third-party tools. And make sure to restrict by domain when sharing inside a company. Copy the shareable link and paste it into your email, chat, or project document with a quick note about permissions and expected behavior. You should always test the link in an incognito window or a different account to verify what recipients will see. Do this before sending widely. If someone reports they can't access files, reopen link settings, confirm the folder owner and permission level, revoke and reissue the link if needed, and clear any cached permissions. That fixes most access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.